welcome to my channel. So today I'll be making some greeting cards. I will make 4 designs. I already have 2 designs ready and I'm using Procreate for illustrating them, and I will use Affinity Designer to create a front and a back side. So in the back I will just write handmade or design and then my logo and my name, and they will be available as a set of 4 or separately. So yeah, I will show you the 2 designs that I already made and then I will work on the other 2. I really like this illustration. I did this a while ago, but I changed the colors and I think this will be a really pretty greeting card. So I will be using this illustration and this one. So I did this one recently, so I just wrote thank you, and I think it will be great as a set. I'm using Procreate, and for this A4, so I can scale it down. They will be an A6 size. Get some colors. Does it look like a heart? I'm not sure.
My stomach hurts, man. Filling me up with all this negative energy. I don't even know. What's the point? Like, I don't even... You just make me feel like times. I think you should start to know that, because as soon as you do, you can start to accept that you're the piece.
Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest gon' come in. Funny how you back for the loving. I got one too many tricks up my sleeve. I must need overdose of empathy. My pops and me, more screenshots of me. The streets are free, go ahead and take from me. Feeling right, out of line. Gotta hit my boy Ricky for the whip of time. Proud of driven, but it's nothing but the climb and grind. Take the time, tripping over space and time. My mind in line, speaking like a god of time. My modest mind, speaking from the heart of kind. A way to find another way to pass the time. I made my mind a station's kind of race. Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest won't come in. Yeah, funny how you back for the loving. I got one too many tricks on my sleeve. I mustn't leave. Overdose of empathy. My pops and me, more screenshots of me. The streets are free. Go ahead and take from me. Break a mirror, fight fire with fear. Kicking the highest gear, you're on the highest tier. And when you're contemplating about a nation breaking, don't erase a fight will take a say. And take the middle road, hate to hear it. Go break your spirit, go waste a year. So tell yourself that you go be enough. When the time is rough, it's kinda hard to hear it. So I'm holding big dreams, sending you a plan for a life of schemes. I'm struggling to hold on, knowing that you're gone in your own. Yeah, I mustn't leave. Overdose of empathy, my pops and me. More screenshots in me, the streets are free. Feeling no one feel for me. Running, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rats gon' come in. Funny how you back for the loving. I got one too many tricks up my sleeve, I mustn't leave. Overdose of empathy, my pops and me. More screenshots in me, the streets are free. Go ahead and take from me.
So the greeting cards are all set, so at the back in Affinity Designer I only added the logo, and they will be an A6 format, and the paper that I'm using is the color copy. I'm not sure if this is any good, but it's both for laser printers and inkjets, and it's the thickest paper that I could find, so I hope that it's okay. I mean, I tried writing on it to see, because some too glossy papers are not good for that. You can't really write on it, everything will smudge. So this is more matte, I think, even though it doesn't say anywhere that it's matte, but now I will try to print it and I will show you how they look like. I hope that the colors will be alright and that there will be no smudging, but yeah, I will show you the end result, and yeah, let's print them out. After printing way too many test prints, I finally tried another one, and it's the Epson photo quality inkjet setting, and I really like how the colors look, and everything is nice now, and the colors look almost exactly like I want them to. And the other settings, like the matte, were okay, but they were too bright on the semi-gloss and glossy setting, but this one looks the best. I don't know if you can see, I will show you. This lighting is not the best, so I will film them again so you can see better when I'm at home. Also, this cutter is not the best, so I have this one that my sister gave me, but I will definitely buy a cutter like this one, but only a better quality, because it doesn't really cut straight, it's a bit flimsy, so I will use this one. And for folding, I'm just using a ruler and this dotting tool for folding it, so I have a clean line and the paper doesn't rip. This is not a professional way to use it, but I tried a few different things and this worked the best for me. And yeah, now I'm gonna cut them, and yeah, let me show you how the writing looks on the card. It doesn't smudge and it's nice to write on.
We both know this is temporary. Maybe we'll last till January. I lost control when you call me baby. If we go down that road, you know you're coming with me. But I'll chase rainy days. Oh, I love the way it tastes on the mattress where I feel safe. The look of bliss on your face. It's the memory foam. I remember it all now. Remember to know why I made you the good guy. I should go outside, let my feelings subside, so I won't be sad in my mind all the time. All the time. All the time. All the time. But I'll chase rainy days. Oh, I love the way it tastes on the mattress where I feel safe. The look of bliss on your face. We both know this is temporary. Maybe we'll last till February. I lost control when you call me baby. If I go down this road, you know you're coming with me.
And here are the two designs. I will now print out the other two. And the reason why I use this is so you don't get cracking in your paper so you get a nice line here, and also the paper doesn't crack on the outside. Here are the other two designs.
I'm hoping for another day. No, I won't make the same mistakes. I'll be fine if you walk away, but give me one more chance to tell you how I feel.
And they're finished. I'm super happy with them. Finally, I was a bit scared that they will not turn out the way I wanted them to when I printed them so many, and but now finally I found the right setting and they are so adorable. I love how they look like and I'm so happy with them. Here are the greeting cards in natural sunlight. You can see the colors better now, I hope. I think they turned out really well. I really like the colors. And the designs are cute and fun. So they're empty inside, and on the back is just my logo. And for the envelopes, I got this plain white ones. I thought maybe to use something a bit more sturdier, even though they do look nice with the white. These ones are slightly yellow beige. I don't know what color that exactly is, but they look a bit higher quality and nicer. But these ones are fine also. I think they look just fine. If I didn't find any other that I liked, I would still use these ones. I don't know if you can see the difference. So this paper is thicker and textured, and this one is just plain regular envelope paper. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more videos from me. I really like how the greeting cards turned out. I will definitely make more designs in the future, so there will be more greeting cards, and they will be now available in my Etsy shop, so don't forget to check them out. And yeah, I hope you like them, and I hope you like this video, and see you in the next video. Goodbye!